Review the order to make sure you have received all the equipment and media necessary for the sampling project. You should have received, along with their associated accessories, 1. Correct quantity of assay 580 passive monitoring badges. 1 blank and 1 for each sampling zone is required. 2. Correct quantity of stainless canisters and integrated regulators. 1 of each for every sampling zone is required. 3. A TSI SidePack AM510 or equivalent particulate sampler. 4. A multi-ray gas monitor or equivalent carbon monoxide monitor. And 5. A tripod and tray. To begin sampling each zone, set up the tripod and extend it to full height, that is, approximately 3 to 6 feet. Attach the tray by screwing it onto the tripod top. First, locate the Assay 580 badge and remove it from the pouch and discard the pouch completely. Remove the monitor cover or covers by lifting the outer cover from the end opposite the collar clip. Be sure that sampling holes are visible. Do not remove the internal cover. Remove both covers for a 4-hour sample and remove only one cover for an 8-hour sample. Clip the badge to the tray. Remember, a field blank should be collected for each sample and should accompany the person monitoring during all periods except actual sampling. For more detailed information, see our instructional video, Field Blanks. Next, set up the Minican stainless steel canister and integrated regulator for total VOC and/or 4 PCH sampling. If 4 PCH sampling is not required, note this in the analysis column on your chain of custody. You received one of 2 different styles of Minican and regulator. If you received the pin style, you must remove the cap prior to sampling and recap the Minican after sampling. If you received the micro valve style, no cap is necessary. For both styles, to begin sampling, pull back on the collar of the regulator. Insert the Minican fully and release the regulator collar. Once the Minican snaps into place, the sample has started. Verify the regulator gauge is reading between 27 and 30 inches of vacuum. This vacuum will slowly decrease while sampling at variable rates. Set the attached Minican and regulator on the tray. For more detailed instructions on how to sample using a Minican and regulator, see our instructional video, Minican Sampling. Next, start the particulate sampler by pressing the on-off button. When the warm-up mode is complete, the survey mode is displayed. Press the on button again and the display will show Main Menu Data Logging. Press the enter button twice and the display will show Logging Data. If more detailed instructions are needed, see our instruction videos, TSI SidePack AM510. Place the particulate monitor on the tray. Next, start the carbon monoxide monitor by pressing the on mode button. The instrument will go through several display screens while it completes the startup. Unit Ready Countdown will display after startup is complete. Verify the instrument is data logging by confirming that the L is flashing on the display after startup is complete. If more detailed instructions are needed, see our instructional videos, Ray Multi-Ray Gas Monitor, or TSI Q-Track IAQ Monitor, or Ray IAQ RAE IAQ monitor, corresponding to the model you received. Place the carbon monoxide monitor on the tray. All samples should run for at least 4 hours. At the end of sampling time, reinstall one or both covers on the Assay 580 badge. Place the badge in the supplied plastic vial and close the cap tightly. Use the supplied label to label your sample. Then place the vial in the foil pouch for shipment. Disconnect the Minican and regulator. Remember to cap the Minican if you are using the pin style. Turn off the particulate monitor by pressing the left arrow 3 times and the survey mode will display. Then press and hold the on-off button until power off is complete. Turn off the carbon monoxide monitor by pressing and holding the on mode button until the countdown ends. For both the particulate and carbon monoxide instruments, the data stored will be reported by Galson in the same report with your analytical data, as long as the data logging mode was correctly set and the data has not been erased. Then, Complete the chain of custody form for formaldehyde, total VOCs, and 4 PCH samples. It is important that you include all the information requested in order to ensure the turnaround time of your samples. For additional instruction on completing the chain of custody, please see the Galson chain of custody video. Remove the pink copy and keep this for your records. Send the white and yellow copies in with the samples to the lab in the large Ziploc bag. Repack all instruments, equipment, accessories, and media in their original containers and ship back to Galson Labs. Repack in the same manner you received them, reusing the original shipping box and packing material. Remove the Ziploc pouch labeled Return Shipping Material. Use the resealing tape strip to reseal the box for shipment. Peel the return shipping label and adhere it to the outside of the box. And submit your package to the carrier for shipment.